Hi guys, it's Itzel again. It's me. Today I have a beautiful bronze look for you guys because it is summer and we have to look bronze without get our skin burned by the sun. So I have this for you guys. I hope you like this. I have two options. There is one for the day and there is another one for the night. This is the night option that I gave you guys, and I hope you like this a lot. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna start using this moisturizer. This is a moisturizing gel by Mary Kay. Now I'm gonna spray a little bit of this thermal spring water on my face. So I'm gonna be using two different foundations. This is the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal, and this is the regular foundation by Mary Kay. This is actually matte. This is too light for me. This is actually too dark. So I'm gonna be mixing these two to create a match for my skin. Right now I'm a little bit brown, so that's why I'm mixing these two foundations, because I'm darker than what I am used to. But if you're pale, I really recommend you to use a darker foundation so that way you're gonna look bronze and you don't have to expose yourself to the sun. But if you're going to expose yourself, let's say like that, to the sun, use a sunscreen, please. I'm gonna be using another product to make this look even more bronze, because it's not looking bronze. I know, maybe you're saying it's not looking bronze, Itzel, what is going on? But I'm gonna be using another product, and do not forget to drag your foundation to your neck. And in this case, I'm showing a little bit of a shoulders right here, so don't forget to also drag your foundation there, so we are the same tone everywhere. Now I'm gonna go at the part with all these make sense. I'm gonna be using this stick to contour my face. This is by Bisou in the tone 14 Almond, and this palette from You Can Be in the medium palette. This is medium, and I'm gonna be using this. I know it is a little bit dark for me. So I'm gonna be taking the same palette by You Can Be, my brush by BH Cosmetics. This is the 102 brush, and I'm gonna be taking this to apply this concealer under my eyes. Now I'm gonna be setting all my face with this compact powder from Bisou. This is powder by Bisou in the color 101 translucent, and I'm just gonna be taking a little sponge and set all my face with it. Now I'm gonna be taking my bronzer. I already did my brows, as you can see. I have a specific video for that in my other channel. I'm gonna link that video down below so you can watch it and see how I did these beautiful brows right here. They look really natural. They look how I love them, and it goes really nice with this makeup. I'm gonna be taking this bronzer right here by Bisou again. This is in the tone 03. And I'm gonna be applying it with my brush by Mary Kay. So this is like a terracotta color, and this is a blush. This is the one that I already used. This is really beautiful. You can see my skin is looking bronzed without being too much, so that is why I love this specific one. I'm gonna link this down below if you want to buy this. It's really beautiful. It's amazing. If you want to add something to your eyes, just take your bronzer and use this like transition shade and just apply it with circular motions all over your crease and lid, and you're gonna have a beautiful warm eye. Last but not least, I'm gonna be using this gloss by Jafra. This is in the tone Squat, and I'm gonna be using this on my lips. This would be the end of this tutorial. I would add just a little bit of mascara on my lashes, but no, because I want to turn this day bronze look to a night one. So I'm gonna add things here and there just to make this pop even more. So let's get into it. Definitely I would add bronzer, so that's what I'm going to do. Just a little bit. We just don't want to go over it a lot. A little bit, just to make it pop a little bit more. Now I'm gonna be using a loose pigment, and it's really beautiful. I'm gonna apply this to my eyes right here with a flat brush over the lid of my eye. Now I'm gonna apply lashes, and these are the Demi Wispies by Ardell. So this is the end of the video. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I love you guys.